Stop letting the loud, metallic grinding noises and constant water tank refilling of old-school countertop ice machines disrupt your home peace and slow down your hosting duties. Welcome back. If you are ready to claim a massive, commercial-grade cascade of soft, craveable pellet ice backed by elite smart automation and near-silent operation, the GoveeLife Smart Nugget Ice Maker Pro is the ultimate luxury kitchen powerhouse of 2026. This isn't just an ordinary countertop appliance that forces you to choose between performance and household quiet. It is a masterclass in high-yield acoustic engineering. The absolute showstopper feature of this GoveeLife Pro model is its combination of a heavy-duty 60-pound daily ice yield with a whisper-quiet 40 dB profile powered by AI NoiseGuard. While traditional nugget ice makers are notorious for emitting a high-pitched, mechanical screech as their internal evaporators freeze up, this unit's active digital sentinel constantly monitors and neutralizes abnormal vibration frequencies. It effortlessly generates its first fresh batch of soft, flavor-absorbing sonic ice pebbles in just 6 minutes, operating at an audio-level equivalent to a quiet library. What makes this pro-tier machine a definitive 2026 flagship for cocktail enthusiasts, active families, and home entertainers is its massive fluid architecture and state-of-the-art ecosystem integration. It features a sprawling dual-tank layout composed of a 2.2L internal reservoir paired with an expansive 4.9L detachable side tank. Holding 7.1 liters of water in total, it can churn out over 15 pounds of ice on a single fill, completely eliminating the annoying chore of hourly water refills during holiday parties. Through the intuitive Govee Home app or voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant, you can schedule the machine to start making ice right before you drive home from work, track real-time ice production charts, and customize the integrated vibrant RGB LED display accent lighting to perfectly match your kitchen's vibe. Complete with a generous 3.5-pound storage basket, a premium magnetic ice scoop, a 10-minute quick refresh cycle, and a 30-minute deep descaling mode, it packs unmatched automated luxury in a premium, ultra-durable chassis. Click the link below for the best price and bring the ultimate smart, silent crunch home today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect smart pebble ice machine for your lifestyle in 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the intelligent, high-performance kitchen tech that scales up your daily comfort. See you in the next one.